XAG is committed to build a smart agriculture ecosystem with drones, robots, and AI that can sustainably provide the world with sufficient, diversified, and safe food. XAG V40 is the first fully autonomous agricultural drone powered by clean energy. It helps farmers effectively conduct field mapping, seeding, fertilizing, and crop spraying with minimum labor input and less ecological footprint. Innovative twin-rotor structure perfectly combines AI control algorithm, aerodynamic design, and cutting-edge material science to achieve stable flight and accurate operation. Onboard remote sensing system generates AI prescription map, enables variable rate spraying, which can reduce up to 30% pesticides use in each operation. Autonomous obstacle avoidance makes every flight a safe journey. XAG V40 unfolds the future of agriculture.